Are you looking for the best bed rails? Bed rails are a crucial safety and mobility aid for toddlers transitioning to standalone sleep, as well as for seniors, post-operative patients, and individuals with limited mobility. A well-chosen bed rail can prevent falls, aid in independent entries and exits, and reduce caregiver burden. In this comparison, I test and evaluate 5 widely available bed rails across a price range from budget to premium.
Product number 1. Baby Bed Rail Guard for Toddlers. Overview. The Nudicast 47-inch bed rail is designed as a swing-down, tall side rail intended to cover a broad range of bed sizes from twin to queen. It emphasizes a quiet flip-down mechanism, a substantial 47-inch length, adjustable height, 12 to 34.7 inches effective, and a patent-approved design. The mesh panel contributes to breathability and a lighter visual footprint, while the 6.83-pound weight suggests a relatively portable option for frequent repositioning or travel. The overall build prioritizes a sturdy guard with a focus on containment and simple operation for toddlers who resist sleeping alone. Performance-wise, the swing-down feature is a standout. Users report smooth, quiet lowering without floor contact, reducing nighttime disturbances. The tall, extended height helps prevent rollouts on wiggly sleepers, and the adjustable height accommodates varying mattress thicknesses. A key user experience point is the tool-free quick setup with provided instructions, enabling parents to install within minutes. However, the 47-inch length, while comprehensive, may crowd smaller twin frames or overhang oddly on certain bunk setups. The product's US patent status adds a perceived Product number 2. Sangohei Bed Rails for Elderly Adult Safety Overview. The Sangohei 504Q is a heavy-duty, 300-pound capacity bed rail with a luggage-style retractable handle and multi-position height adjustments. It targets seniors and heavier users, emphasizing robust steel construction, a wider 20.5-inch handle, and a 28.5 to 43.3-inch tall footprint, depending on configuration. This model boasts tool-free assembly, universal fit for most bed sizes, and a 2-year US-based warranty, aligning with expectations for reliable hospital-to-home transition use. In practice, the retractable handle design offers one-handed operation for entering and exiting the bed, a significant advantage for users with limited strength. The 3-height level adjustment and the 3-position frame height accommodates various mattress thicknesses and bed frames, while anti-slip EVA pads reduce bed shift, critical for preventing entrapment or shifting during movement. The frame stability is further enhanced by thicker legs and a broader base. Potential drawbacks include a relatively tall overall height that may require careful maneuvering for shorter users and beds with tight clearance near walls. Some users may prefer a more compact footprint.
Product number 3. Bed rails for elderly adults. Overview. The Plat Pet model offers dual grab bar design with an integrated storage pouch and a robust 300-pound capacity. The 2-handle configuration is aimed at improving leverage for users getting in and out of bed, while the flattened base reduces mattress deformation and prolongs frame integrity. The relatively compact footprint, 11.2-inch width, 25-inch height, suggests a focus on deep sleep safety without dominating the entire bed area. The storage pouch adds practical convenience for remote controls, glasses, or mobile devices. Performance-wise, the 2-handle design enables safer transfers, particularly for users who rely on both sides for stability. The flattened base helps protect mattresses from indentations over time, a meaningful consideration for those with pressure concerns or high-frequency use. The 7.21-pound weight indicates portability, enabling transfer between rooms or temporary use. Where it shines is mid-range price to feature balance and the added removable storage pouch. On the downside, the rail may be less suitable.
Product number 4. Stander Easy Adjust Bed Rail Overview. Stander's Easy Adjust Bed Rail brings ASTM F3186-17 safety certification into the mix, along with a 26 to 42-inch adjustable length. The rail folds down 180 degrees for caregiver access and bedmaking, and includes an organizer pouch. This is a premium, safety-centric option designed for elderly users seeking certified protection and flexible positioning. The combination of fold-flat operation, multi-length adjustability, and certification positions this as a top-tier option for safety-conscious households. Performance-wise, the 26 to 42-inch range covers a broad swath of bed sizes while maintaining a low profile when folded. The 300-pound capacity mirrors the expectations for stability, and the 180-degree fold adds significant care access convenience. The ASTM certification provides a formal safety guarantee, which can be a deciding factor for caregivers and facilities. Potential drawbacks include a higher price point and the caveat that it is not intended for adjustable beds or very soft mattresses, which may...
Product number 5. Bed Rails for Elderly Adults Safety Overview. The KVR FLTF model emphasizes an ASTM F318617 certification, a 400-pound capacity, and a fully adjustable multi-point system to fit king through twin bed types. It features an extending non-slip handle, a fixing strap for extra stability, and a storage pocket. The 4-way adjustment includes width, height, length extension, and leg height, enabling a high degree of customization for diverse bed configurations and sleeping styles. Performance-wise, the self-leveling base reduces wobble on uneven floors, which is critical for stability when a user sits up or shifts weight. The anti-tip safety strap adds a layer of protection against unintended bed movement. The tool-free assembly and portable design are appealing for multi-room use or temporary setups. Potential drawbacks include the relatively larger footprint when fully extended and potential